In this section, we're going to introduce you to the theory and methodology of segmentation. In particular, we'll explain three main algorithms and their applications. But let's start with a quick recap on machine learning techniques. There are three main areas of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. There is Introduction to Machine Learning course on the 360 platform where you can learn a bit more in detail about each of them. Here is a link to it. Now we'll just remind you about the differences between supervised and unsupervised learning, since three basic algorithms we can use for segmentation or clustering belong to these two categories. In unsupervised learning, the data on which you train your model consists only of inputs, but we don't know anything about corresponding outputs. Hence, the model works on its own to understand whether the training data can be decomposed into groups or clusters. This is exactly what we need for our segmentation problem. For example, in the case with customer segmentation, initially we know only some information about customers, but we don't know anything about possible clusters they might belong to. So to decompose them into clusters, we can use the cluster analysis algorithm. In supervised learning, the training data consists of both inputs and corresponding outputs. Hence, our goal is to understand how the output variable relates to input variables. But what is it to do with clustering if we don't have a target variable to use supervised learning? The answer is that we're going to use decision tree algorithm to make segmentation clearer and more understandable. We will discuss how to use all these methods together a bit later.